Welcome to HUS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating Smart Host Microcontroller for optimal battery charging in solar powered robotic vehicles. So this project consists of vehicle model as presented with the DC motors as well as solar tracking system, and it was achieved by this LDR light sensors. And coming to the main controlling one, so here we are using the PIC microcontroller. So it was connected here. So this PIC microcontroller is getting inputs from the different kind sensors, like one thing is sunlight sensors, and next limit switches in order to get the limit to this tracking system, and next RF decoder. So we are using ST12D decoder IC which will decode the RF signals getting from this RF transmitter, and based on this signal we received from this transmitter, PIC microcontroller will control the directions of these DC motors, forward, backward, left, right. This is one section, and next section is based on the signals voltage getting from this east and west sensors. Microcontroller will control the solar panel with the help of this DC motor, gear DC motor, and there will be limits for the east and west, and we assign that by using the limit switches. So coming to the output modules, so we are using L293D motor drivers. So one L293D motor driver can control the two DC motors. So for vehicle DC motors, we are going to use one L293D IC, and the next L293D IC will control the solar tracking system gear DC motor. So coming to the battery charging sections, so the output voltage getting from the solar panel directly given to the charging section. So in the charging section we have the rectifier and the filter, and after that directly we are going to providing the voltage to the battery. So though we are getting the DC from the solar panel, we are using rectifier in order to charge this battery safely from another charging section of transformer. So because this is a secondary way to make the battery fully charged. Though the solar panel is sufficient to charge the battery, further we need to place this robots under sunlight at least of 6 hours under full sunlight. And the next thing is coming to the interfacing pins of the microcontroller. So coming to the first robotic vehicle L293D interface at C2, C3 and C4, C5, and L293D of solar tracking DC motor interface at C6 and C0 and C1. C0, C1 for a DC motor of solar tracker, C2, C3, C4, C5 for the robots, and next limit switches C6, C7 and LDRs A0, A1, and coming to the RF decoder interface at B0 to B5. So these are the interfacing connections of the PIC microcontroller. So let us see the demonstration. When we switch on the kit directly, so it will go to the initial position, and now then based on the light intensity, so the solar tracking will be right. Okay, so it will be done in this manner, and whenever it reaches the east level, so automatically it will go into the east side, and when it reaches the west side. And next thing is robot section, just this is the forward and left. So we are going to control that left side. Okay, and forward, and the right side. Okay, right. Thank you for watching demo.